Hey guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. On today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can cover emojis from videos in Capcut. So here I have this video with emoji on it. So this is just an example. And here I want to cover the emoji. So if you want to do the same on your videos, here's what you need to do. First, you can just click on the video on the timeline, and here duplicate the video. Click on duplicate and make one of the video as overlay. So I suggest you click on the first video and click on overlay, because you don't need to drag it again when it's on overlay. So after that, you can just click on the second video, the overlay one, and find masking. Okay, so I'm going to isolate the sky, the blue sky, to later cover the emoji with that, the part that I isolate. Okay, this one. Now you can just click on the check icon and now move the masking to cover the emoji like that. Okay, if you want to, you can also add feather to make it more natural if you want, but don't go too big. I'm going to just go with 2. After that, click on the check icon, and that's it. The emoji will be covered. And that's all from me. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on the thanks. Bye.